How to cut material with a Ryobi jigsaw. If you need to cut aluminium or any other metals with a Ryobi jigsaw, here's a quick and easy method. First, fit a metal cutting blade. I'm using a BMI metal cutting blade designed for cutting non-ferrous metals such as aluminium. Next, measure and mark your cut line. Here I'm measuring on an aluminium solar panel rail. I start by trying to cut without clamping the rail down, but as you can see, it moves around and makes it difficult to keep the cut straight. Once the rail is securely clamped, the cut becomes much easier to control and produce a cleaner finish. Use a steady speed and let the blade do the work. Forcing a jigsaw through the material can wear out the blade more quickly and leave a rougher cut. If you find the blade is struggling, creating excess heat, or leaving a rough finish, try adding a small amount of cutting lubricant or cutting oil. This can help reduce friction, extend the blade life, and improve the quality of the cut. With the correct blade, a securely clamped workpiece, a steady cutting pace, a Ryobi jigsaw can make clean, accurate cuts in aluminium or any other metals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more DIY tool guides like this one. Thanks for watching.